Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC B1645, which indicates a potential short circuit in the driver's door left front antenna circuit in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. The keyless access control unit may receive erroneous signals due to this fault, compromising the ability to unlock and access the vehicle remotely through the keyless entry system. Understanding this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is crucial for ensuring that the vehicle's electrical systems function properly. The primary component involved, the keyless access control unit, plays a significant role in managing the vehicle's remote features and is typically located within the driver's door area. Recognizing symptoms, causes, and systematically troubleshooting this code will guide us towards effective repair and restoration of the vehicle's intended functionality. DTC B1645 indicates a short in the left front LF antenna circuit located within the driver's door of the Honda CRV. The driver's door antenna is critical for the keyless access system, which allows for remote locking and unlocking of the vehicle. This antenna communicates with the keyless access control unit, allowing it to receive signals from the key fob. Located in the body of the driver's door, the antenna plays a vital role in signal reception quality, which can affect the interaction with the remote. If this circuit is shorted, it disrupts the intended frequency patterns and can lead to operational failures in the keyless entry feature. It's essential to evaluate both the keyless access control unit and the driver's door antenna for proper functionality to resolve this issue. Several potential causes could lead to the activation of DTC B1645. A short circuit in the wiring can occur if there is insulation damage, wear, or misrouting that causes the wires to make unintended contact with each other or the vehicle frame. Poor connections may arise due to corrosion or loose connectors at critical junctions, such as the body control module and the driver's door antenna. These types of failures disrupt signal transmission and can hamper the function of the keyless access system. Additionally, any malfunctioning components, such as the keyless access control unit or the driver's door outer handle, could contribute to this condition. Understanding these causes is the first step in effectively addressing the DTC B1645 error to restore normal operation. When DTC B1645 is present, several symptoms may arise that indicate underlying issues with the keyless access system. The most prominent symptom is the failure of the keyless entry feature, rendering the key fob ineffective in locking or unlocking the doors remotely. Users may experience inconsistencies when attempting to activate the door locks, resulting in frustration during vehicle access. In addition to these primary symptoms, other electrical faults may occur, potentially affecting additional systems within the vehicle, such as interior lighting or the alarm system. By being aware of these symptoms, technicians can take a comprehensive approach when diagnosing and resolving DTC B1645, ensuring that all related electrical systems are functioning optimally. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1645 involves verifying the issue by clearing any existing diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This system allows technicians to interface with the vehicle's electronic systems. After clearing the DTCs, select the keyless access control unit from the one-push start system menu and enter into a self-check function. It is critical to perform this self-check to generate fresh diagnostic data, ensuring any existing issues are accurately observed. Following the self-check, technicians can again check for DTCs with the HDS, determining if DTC B1645 reappears. If DTC B1645 does show up again, it indicates an ongoing fault in the circuit that needs detailed examination. If the DTC does not reappear, the issue may be intermittent, suggesting a need to check for loose or poor connections. In the second troubleshooting step, a thorough check for shorted wires in the EXT FR Driver Plus and EXT FR Driver Minus lines is crucial. Begin by turning the vehicle to off mode and disconnect the necessary connectors. The body control module connector F, which has 36 pins, and the driver's door outer handle connector. Once disconnected, continuity must be checked between specific test points while ensuring the vehicle is in off mode. Test point 1 involves body control module connector F pin 13, while test point 2 is the vehicle's body ground. Additionally, pin 31 from the same connector needs to be tested against the body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates a short to ground in the wiring, necessitating prompt repair. Conversely, if no continuity is found, move forward with troubleshooting to further isolate the issue. For the third step in troubleshooting DTC B1645, another continuity check is necessary. This time between the EXT FR DR Plus line and EXT FR DR Minus lines. Similar to step 2, ensure the vehicle remains in off mode and the relevant connectors are disconnected. Continuity testing will again occur at body control module connector F, where pin 13 is compared to pin 31. This step will help ascertain if a short exists specifically between these two lines. If continuity is present, it indicates that a short is likely in the EXT FR DR Plus wire to EXT FR DR Minus wire, prompting repairs in this specific circuit. If the test shows no continuity, the wiring for EXT FR DR Plus and EXT FR DR Minus is considered acceptable, allowing the technician to proceed to the next troubleshooting step without further concerns about shorts. In the fourth troubleshooting step for DTC B1645, reconnect the body control module connector F after ensuring all previous tests have been performed correctly. Now, switch the vehicle to on mode to prepare for voltage measurement. With the driver's door outer handle connector disconnected, take care to measure the voltage between the points relevant to the outer handle. Specifically, measure between pin 2 and pin 6 of the driver's door outer handle connector. If sufficient voltage is detected during this measurement, it indicates that the LF antenna is faulty and will require replacement of the driver's door outer handle. Alternatively, if no voltage is present, the issue lies within the body control module, which should be replaced. This methodical approach ensures that the problem is accurately diagnosed and promptly rectified. After completing repairs related to DTC B1645, it's essential to perform a final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Start by clearing the DTCs once more using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Following this, conduct a comprehensive test of the keyless access feature to verify that the system is operational. This involves checking if the remote key fob can successfully unlock and lock the vehicle's doors without any issues. It does not just confirm that the repairs were done, but also reassures the technician that all components are working harmoniously. A successful confirmation of the keyless access restores confidence in the vehicle's electrical systems, ensuring the driver's convenience is fully restored. Moreover, adherence to the troubleshooting steps reinforces the quality of the repair work. Preventive maintenance plays an important role in avoiding the recurrence of DTC B1645. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the keyless access system can help identify signs of wear and tear before they lead to serious issues. Technicians should also ensure that all electrical connections are clean and securely fastened to prevent intermittent failures caused by loose components. Additionally, it is advisable to monitor the overall performance of the keyless access system frequently. By remaining proactive and addressing any signs of malfunction early, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the chances of encountering the same diagnostic trouble code in the future. Ultimately, this approach saves on costly repairs and enhances the longevity of the vehicle's electrical systems. In conclusion, diagnosing and repairing DTC B1645 is crucial for the effective operation of the keyless access system in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Understanding the meaning and implications of the DTC allows technicians to systematically approach troubleshooting, thoroughly following the outlined steps from verifying the problem through to conducting checks on wiring, connectors, and the body control module ensures a comprehensive resolution to the issue. Once the repairs are made, conducting a final verification reaffirms that the solutions are effective and that the vehicle operates normally. Preventive maintenance will play an essential role in extending the system's life and functionality, allowing drivers to retain seamless access to their vehicles. It's a collaborative effort between good diagnostics and quality repairs that leads to successful outcomes. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.